The base section of the antenna mast weighs 40 tons. Too heavy for the helicopter with a load limit of 10 tons, it'll be lifted by the tower crane and secured with 125 anchor bolts, 14 feet in length and 1.5 inches in diameter. An erection platform designed especially for the CN Tower project is ready to be hoisted into place. It will shield the bolting crews from wind and weather as section by section their work takes them higher into the winter sky. Final testing of the 2 vibration dampers or radomes is completed. Now they too are ready to be shipped to the tower site, and the most spectacular phase of the entire project is about to begin. The giant Sikorsky S-64E Sky Crane helicopter Olga, owned by Erickson Air Crane Company of Marysville, California, has arrived at the tower site. From now on, Olga and her crew will be the stars of the show. Their main task, to hoist and place the 39 sections of the antenna mast. First, they remove the tower crane from the top of the main mast. As the helicopter crew completes its first task, the burden of its final lift is sent on its way to the tower site. The top section of the antenna mast, 32 feet in length, 6.5 tons of steel and equipment. Can number 39, the section that will bring the tower to its ultimate historic height, bearing the signatures of thousands of schoolchildren and Toronto citizens. Olga's crew gets ready for another lift. One pilot to fly the craft, one, the aft pilot, to guide the load into position from his vantage point at the rear of the flight deck, and one to act as a standby. Completed sections cluster at the base of the tower, awaiting their turn with Olga. The helicopter, hovering like a giant dragonfly, continues the unusual airlift, depositing her cargo of steel section by section atop the steadily growing tower. In all, Olga will make a total of 56 lifts. As the forward pilot maneuvers the craft into position, the aft pilot guides the sections into place with pinpoint accuracy. The men must work quickly. Olga's flights are locked into a tight schedule dictated by the movement of passenger trains far below. Working to this schedule, she's managed as many as 3 lifts in less than 15 minutes. In less than 30 days, helicopter and tower crews would accomplish what would have taken 6 months. On the ground is an essential part of the operation. The tower has now reached the 1,600-foot level. One of the 2 giant damper systems is lowered into position. The aft pilot gently and with great precision places the load. The connecting crew anchors it. The aft pilot releases the steel bridle, securing the damper, and Olga flies groundward. April 2nd, 1975, topping off day. Olga and her crew are ready. Now the historic moment, the final lift. The tower is about to reach the 1,815-foot apex of its long climb skyward.